Corporate video production is expensive and slow. A single training module, scripting, scheduling a presenter, booking a studio, filming, editing, reviewing, distributing, can take weeks and thousands of dollars. Synthesia compresses that entire process into a browser session. You write the script, select an avatar, add your branding, and generate a finished video. Today, I'm walking through the specific workflow for professional corporate content, training, onboarding, compliance, and internal communications, built to Synthesia's strengths. Starting your project for corporate use. Log in at synthesia.io and click New Video. For corporate content, the choice between starting methods matters more than it does for casual use. For standard structured content, a training module with defined learning objectives, a compliance video covering a specific policy, an onboarding video following a set agenda, start with a template. Click Templates and filter by use case: training, onboarding, sales enablement, or explainer. These templates are built with corporate layouts, clean slide structures, professional spacing, designated areas for logo and supporting graphics. They're faster than starting from scratch, and they enforce a professional visual standard from the first scene. For content where you're working from an existing document, a policy PDF, a PowerPoint deck, a compliance brief, use the AI Video Assistant. Click New Video, select AI Assistant, and upload your document or paste the URL of an internal web page. The AI reads the document, generates a script organized into scenes, and produces a draft video structure. This is the right starting point when your content already exists in written form, and you want to convert it to video without rewriting everything manually. For highly customized content where your organization has specific visual standards that existing templates don't match, start with blank canvas. Click New Video and select Start from Scratch. You'll have full control over every design decision from the beginning. Scripting for corporate video. Corporate video scripting has specific requirements that differ from casual or marketing content. The script needs to be accurate, precise, and structured around clear learning or communication objectives. Not entertaining in the entertainment sense, but clear and efficient in a professional sense. Paste your script into the Scene Script field for your first scene. Immediately apply the most important structural rule for Synthesia corporate video: one key point per scene. If your scene script is covering 3 ideas, split it into 3 scenes. Each scene should be a single logical unit. One concept, one process step, one policy point, one piece of information the viewer needs to absorb before moving forward. This structure serves 2 purposes. First, it makes the video easier to navigate. If someone needs to re-watch the section covering a specific policy, they can jump directly to that scene rather than scrubbing through a long, continuous video. Second, it makes the video easier to update. When a policy changes, you edit and regenerate only the affected scene rather than reconstructing the full video. In a compliance context where regulations change regularly, this update efficiency is a real operational advantage. Keep scene scripts to a comfortable speaking length. Aim for 30 seconds to 90 seconds of spoken content per scene. At an average speaking pace of approximately 130 words per minute, that's 60 to 200 words per scene script. For a 10-minute training module, you're looking at 8 to 20 scenes. After entering each scene's script, preview the audio using the play button next to the script field. Listen specifically for technical terms, product names, department names, and any proper nouns that are specific to your organization. These are the words most likely to be mispronounced. For any word that sounds wrong, select it in the script and use the pronunciation tool. Type a phonetic version that produces the correct output, and save it. Build this pronunciation list early in the project rather than discovering mispronounced terms after generating the full video. Avatar selection for corporate content follows different criteria than for marketing or social media content. The priority is professional credibility over expressiveness. Open the avatar library and use the filter options. Filter by style and look for options labeled professional, corporate, or formal. Depending on your Synthesia plan version, these filter labels may vary. The avatars that surface under these filters have presentation styles, posture, gesture restraint, delivery composure, appropriate for formal business communications. For a compliance training video, an avatar that feels dynamic and energetic for a product ad would be totally wrong. Consider audience representation when selecting. If your training video is going to a global team, selecting avatars that reflect different ethnicities and backgrounds across your different videos demonstrates awareness of your audience's diversity. Synthesia's library is designed with this in mind and provides options across a wide range of appearances. For organizations producing ongoing series of videos, a monthly compliance update, a quarterly product training, an onboarding series with multiple modules, consistency matters. Select 1 or 2 avatars for your series and stick with them. Viewers will associate those avatars with your organization's official training content, which builds recognition and trust over time. For the voice, select your language from the language dropdown and choose a voice that matches the formality register of your content. Preview multiple options. In most languages, Synthesia offers voices that range from more formal and authoritative to more approachable and conversational. For compliance and legal content, lean toward the more formal options. For onboarding and culture content, a warmer conversational tone is more appropriate. Adjust speed in the voice settings if needed. For complex or technical content where viewers need processing time, reducing speed by 10 to 15% improves comprehension. For the voice settings panel, adjust the speed slider and test with the preview before committing. Corporate video has specific visual standards, consistent branding, clear supporting graphics for complex information, and a professional layout that matches your organization's design identity. Start with your logo. In the scene editor, click Insert or the Media tab and select Image. Upload your company logo file. PNG with a transparent background is ideal. Position it consistently across all scenes, typically the top right or bottom left corner. Right-click the logo element and look for the Apply to All Scenes option. This propagates the logo to every scene in your video automatically, ensuring it appears consistently throughout, without manual placement on each scene. For the background, click on the Scene Background area and select Background Options. Upload a custom background that matches your organization's branded visual style, a branded slide template you use in PowerPoint, a corporate color gradient, or a blurred office photograph. Apply this consistently across all scenes the same way you applied the logo. If your organization uses specific brand colors for backgrounds, use the solid color option and enter your exact hex color codes. For complex information that benefits from visual support, a process with multiple steps, a policy with specific numerical thresholds, a comparison between 2 options, add on-screen text and graphics alongside the avatar. Click Insert and select Text. Add a headline or key point label. Keep on-screen text concise, 3 to 7 words maximum per text element. The avatar is speaking the full explanation. The on-screen text is reinforcing the key takeaway, not duplicating the full script. For process diagrams, charts, or supporting images, click Insert and select Image. Upload your own files, process flow diagrams you've built in PowerPoint or Visio, screenshots of your systems, product photos, or search the integrated stock library for generic professional images that support your content. Position these in the scene so they complement the avatar rather than compete with it. Typically, the avatar occupies one half of the frame and supporting visual content occupies the other. For step-by-step software or system tutorials, use the screen recording option in the Insert panel. Record your screen demonstrating the process, import the recording into the scene as a video element, and the avatar narrates the demonstration. For IT onboarding and systems training, this approach is more effective than attempting to describe software navigation in words alone. Animation, timing, and background music. 3 elements that affect the perceived professionalism of the finished video. Animation markers control when on-screen elements appear during the scene. Text boxes, images, graphics, Without animation markers, all elements appear simultaneously when the scene starts. With markers, elements appear at specific points timed to the narration. To add an animation marker, select the element you want to time, a text box, an image, and look for the animation or timing option in the Elements Settings panel. Set the element to appear at a specific second within the scene. For example, if your script mentions a specific statistic at the 20-second mark of the scene, set the text box showing that statistic to appear at second 20. This synchronizes the visual with the spoken mention, which improves information retention. For elements that should appear from the beginning, leave them at the default start time. For elements that support a specific spoken point, time them to that point. Don't animate everything. Selective use of timed appearance is more effective than having every element flying in at different moments. Background music. For corporate video, music serves a functional purpose rather than an entertainment one. It fills the slightly sterile silence that AI voiceover can create and gives the video a more polished, produced feeling. Click the Add Music or Background Audio option in the Scene Settings or the Timeline area. Synthesia has a royalty-free music library available directly in the platform. Select instrumental tracks only for corporate content. Any music with vocals competes with the voiceover. Select music labeled corporate, professional, or ambient. Set the volume to 15 to 25% of the voiceover level. Audible, but not distracting. Apply the same music track across all scenes for consistency. If your video has a distinct conclusion scene, you can fade the music out at that point by adjusting the volume for that scene specifically. Generating and reviewing. When all scenes are scripted, avatar and voice are set, branding is applied, and timing markers are placed, click Generate in the top right corner. Synthesia renders your video. Processing time varies by video length and server load, typically 5 to 20 minutes for a standard training module. When the video is ready, watch it completely before approving it for distribution. Use a structured review pass rather than a casual watch. First pass, audio only. Listen to every scene's voiceover. Flag any mispronounced words, any timing that feels rushed or too slow, any section where the pacing doesn't serve the content. Note the specific scene and timestamp for each issue. Second pass, visual. Watch with sound off. Check that your logo appears consistently on every scene. Check that on-screen text appears at the correct moments relative to the narration. Check that supporting images are positioned correctly and that no visual element is overlapping the avatar in a distracting way. Third pass, full video. Watch the complete video at normal speed as a viewer would. Evaluate whether the flow between scenes is smooth, whether the information is clear, and whether the overall production quality meets your organization's standards. Address any issues found in the review by going back into the editor, making the corrections to the affected scenes, and clicking Generate again. Synthesia regenerates only the modified scenes, so a small correction doesn't require a full re-render. Exporting and distributing. When the video passes your review, you have several distribution options. Download as MP4. Click Download in the Video Actions menu. Synthesia exports at 1080p resolution. The MP4 file is suitable for upload to any video platform, embedding in websites, attaching to emails, or uploading to a learning management system. Share via link. Click Share to generate a direct viewer link. Anyone with the link can watch the video in a clean browser player without a Synthesia account. For quick internal distribution, sharing via email, Slack, or Teams, this is faster than downloading and re-uploading the file. Set link permissions to restrict access if the content is sensitive. For training videos that need to be tracked for completion and compliance purposes, upload the MP4 to your learning management system, whether that's Cornerstone, Workday Learning, SAP SuccessFactors, or another platform. Synthesia also supports SCORM export on higher-tier plans, which package the video with completion tracking data in the format LMS platforms use for automatic progress recording. If your organization requires documented proof of training completion for compliance purposes, SCORM export is the distribution format you need. Translate into additional languages. In your projects page, open the completed video and look for the Translate or AI dubbing option. Select your target languages. Synthesia generates dubbed versions with the translated audio and the avatar's lip movement resynced to match each language's audio track. Each translated version is a separate downloadable MP4 and a separate shareable link. For global organizations distributing training content across multiple regions, this process takes minutes rather than the days required for traditional reproduction in each language. Here's the complete corporate video workflow. Start with a template for structured content, the AI video assistant when converting an existing document, or blank canvas for fully custom designs. Script each scene as a single key point, preview audio, and correct pronunciation for any organization-specific terminology. Select a professional avatar and formal voice appropriate to your content's register. Apply your logo to all scenes. Use your brand colors for backgrounds. Add on-screen text and supporting images, timed to the narration. And add background music at 15 to 25% volume. Generate, conduct a structured 3-pass review, address issues in the editor, and regenerate. Export as MP4 for general distribution. Share via link for quick internal sharing. Export as SCORM for LMS tracking. And generate translated versions for global distribution. The full process from a written script to a distributed corporate training video, including translation into multiple languages, is achievable in a single work session. That's the core value proposition Synthesia delivers for corporate video production. Hit the like button and subscribe if this helped.